Hey folks, Technivorous here. If you're like me, you've accumulated quite a few spare parts over the years and you need a way to organize them. So today we're going to be taking a look at a few practical prints. This is a stacking drawer insert that I developed, and I will show you how it works and get you the links right now.
Technivorous channel is brought to you by these fine Patreon supporters. Check us out on Patreon at patreon.com/technivorous.
So here we have my random collection of disassembled 3D printer parts. As you can see, we have several different components, and each component pretty much has its own slotted drawer. Now there are 4 different drawers. There is a side-to-side division, a front and back division, and a 4-segment drawer, as well as the single segment. This is a whole drawer. So these work pretty well actually. So they will stack inside each other here, and you can either stack them up and get them out of the way like this, or the main purpose they were developed for was to fit in this drawer over here. So this is a super cheap drawer, the kind you find at Walmart. Basically, these were made to fit in here at a time, and then it will segment the drawer into smaller segments. Now it is a little bit snug there to get them all in there properly, but they do fit, and they are still stackable afterwards, easily removable. I like to go ahead and put 7 into one drawer, leaving an open space, because that allows me to shift them from place to place and get to the drawers underneath. So pretty well functionable. Let's jump over and take a look at Thingiverse here. And here we are checking out the Thingiverse page. As you can see, this is the 3D render of the 4-segment drawer. All of the files are included down here under Think Files, and there is even a Fusion 360 file. So you can make adjustments, changes, things like that through this file. If you develop any other drawers, please let me know. We can add them to the list here. But you can see basically the FAB is going to be front and back, SBS is side by side, 4-segment and single are pretty self-explanatory. That's basically it for this simple video, guys. I just wanted to show you my practical print there, my stacking drawers. I do have a couple other practical prints for you to take a look at. This is a spool holder model. These are pretty cool because they clip in and out of each other, so you can make them as long as you want, and they will hold pretty much any size spool. The only downside to this is it is not temperature control, obviously, so you might have some issues with moisture, and that's not ideal. I do, however, take these and line the bottom of my filament cases, my tubs that are sealable, with them to keep them in a more organized row and easier to see, because then I can just look down on the top, see what color it is, and grab the spool that I want. We also have this handy dandy door stop. This works pretty well. Now this is for a large gapped door, and it will stop it pretty simply. It's pretty self-explanatory as well, but very, very useful, and it comes in handy. The other practical print I have here may or may not be practical to you, but this is a lighter holder that I designed basically just to hold a lighter, and then I put it in backwards. And it fits and works pretty well, but makes it easily identifiable so nobody can steal your Bic. That's going to be it for this video, guys. We will see you in the next one. We'll be back with more practical prints at some point. A lot of times when you print something with 3D printer, it ends up being frivolous and fun, and it's nice to print things that are actually useful in day-to-day life. So if you have any ideas for practical prints, please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and smash that subscribe button. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Pay no attention to the mess going on behind me. Pay more attention to the mess going on my shirt. Check this out. Finally got the merch available. That's right, finally hit 10K, so the merch is finally here. Make sure you check out the Teespring merchandise bar below the video. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, because we have more videos coming your way. In fact, I've thrown a couple of suggestions, videos for you to watch on the screen right now, so go ahead and check those out. And when you get done, don't forget to pop over and check out the merchandise. There's plenty of stuff to see, and thanks for watching, guys.